I'm sure by now we're all aware that AI can generate a song in seconds, right? But can it actually help us in the process of real music production and in our workflow? Well, to answer that question, yes, because today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to a platform called MusicCreatorAI. And what is MusicCreatorAI, you ask me? Well, it is a creative platform which uses tools such as AI music generation, MIDI editing, audio processing, and essential music tools that can help music producers and artists such as myself and you that are watching to generate original ideas or to finish off existing ideas. So whether you are having a beat block or you're trying to actually get a project done, MusicCreatorAI is the platform for you. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can generate a song from an idea and use some of the tools to help you create something special. So without wasting any more time, let's see what MusicCreatorAI has in store for us. So in today's video, basically what I want to do is kind of create a sample, right? Those that watch my videos and know me, you'd know that I love jazz. I love jazz, jazz mnati. So what we're gonna do is try to generate a Latin smooth jazz happy song and see what this MusicCreatorAI music generator can do. Then from there, we'll take that song that has been generated and we're basically gonna make it our own. So as you can see here on my prompt section on the website, I've typed out that I want a happy smooth jazz Amapiano song in Zulu, and then basically I said the mood, the genre is smooth jazz, Latin jazz, the mood is joyous, passionate, and then I want a male vocal. So let's actually see what this tool can generate for us. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I've generated a couple of ideas just for variety, you know. Sometimes you generate these AI songs and you don't get something that actually speaks to you, but there's something that caught my attention out of all the songs that I've generated here. Have a listen to this. Go! Go!
Sekudlilanga kushisa kancane ngibona wena uhlezi ngedwa uhlezi uhleka kodwa ngiyabona inhliziyo ifuna idanso sondela kancane ngizokubamba ngesandla masikhohle izolo siphile lenhlanhla umoya uyajika ngizwa kushisa izwi lakho lishaya ngaphakathi.
So first thing that I want to do is download the waveform, right? And obviously download the commercial license so that we have full rights to use the song. It's ours now. That's the beautiful thing. Once you pay and you join and you have a membership, everything that you create is yours. You don't have to worry about the platform coming to now ask you, hey, now you made a hit, now we want our money. Pay once, you get what's yours, and happy days, man. So now, first thing that I want to do is actually extract the stems. So now that I have the waveform, I can do that. I'm just gonna put the song here and we're just gonna separate the stems using the stem separator tool. So now we have separated our stems. As you can see right here, I have my guitars, the vocals, the drums, and the bass. So let's actually listen to the separated stems. I can actually just mute everything and just listen to whatever I want to listen to, you know. As you can see here, I have all my other elements. Here I just have the drums alone. Can just play that alone, which is pretty cool, man. And I can take up my bass too. Joe. And I can also have my vocals as well, alone. Hey. This is cool, bro. So once I have my stems separated, I can pretty much just download them. Boom, as you can see there, my stems are downloaded. I can now transfer them to my FL Studio, whatever DAW that you use. But before then we go to the DAW, I want to test out some of the other tools on the platform, right? Particularly the audio to MIDI, right? Because now I have all my stems and I don't know the notes of the chords or the notes of the bass that is playing, right? So what we're gonna do is actually take that bass line stem and the stems of the instruments and throw it into this tool to find the MIDI so that we can drag and drop when now we're ready to make our own version of the song, right? So let's take a look at this tool here. So I'm gonna drag and drop the bass stems into this tool and I'm gonna convert to MIDI, and it's basically going to give me the MIDI form of the bass line, which is going to make my life so much more easier when now I want to add a lock drum and basically make the song my own, you know. So let's wait for it. So now, as you can see, my waveform has been converted to a MIDI file, and I'm basically just gonna download the MIDI file. There we have it there, and we can actually edit it in the MIDI editor, which I want to test out. So let's do that and see what this is all about actually. Oh cool, there we have it, you know. There's our MIDI there, and so you can actually pick the preset that you want to listen to this MIDI in, and you can actually edit it here. This is basically the piano roll for this platform here, and you can adjust basically the length, how long you want the MIDI to play, snap them to the grid, you know, and play with the velocity, pitch bend. There's actually a lot of cool things that you can do here. Hi ladies and gentlemen, so now I have actually created a young song revolved around the AI generated song using the stems and the MIDI forms that we got from MusicCreatorAI, and I just kind of wanted to show you an example of how you can use this tool to actually create something of your own. So without wasting any more time, enjoy.
Sekudlila ushisa kancane ngibona wena uhlezi ngedwa uhlezi uhleka kodwa ngiyabona inhliziyo ifuna idanso sondela kancane izobamba ngesandla masikhohle izolo ishaya ngaphakathi. Siyadansa ngebusuku, siphefumula injabulo, izinyawo zikhuluma phansi, inhliziyo ishaya uthando. Siyadansa, siyadlala, sihleka amagama apheli, lapha nangapha siyazizwa, siyadansa wena nami. Uthi saba kancane, imamatheka, ngithi ngikhona, uyangiphusha, sihleka sobabili, nkulo siba,
And that's the end of the video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. As always, shout out to the people at MusicCreatorAI for designing such dope tool for music producers and creatives to basically have a way of expressing themselves without limits. You know what I mean? It's pretty cool how far you can stretch this tool. I mean, you can literally do anything that your mind wants to do with it, you know. Yeah, the only thing that's gonna be limiting you is your creativity and how far you want to take it, you know. So as always, on Matumza Productions, thank you for watching, and until the next time, peace.